Hey everyone, my name is Javi, and in this video we're going to learn exactly what a good landing page should look like and how important it is in your business. The reason why I think the landing page are so important is because if you have a very bad closing rate or you're not a good salesman, most of the sales is done for you in the landing page. So this part is very important. I'm gonna show you actually the exact landing page that's made me over $2.3 million. And I'm also first going to show you the landing page that we just work on one of our clients that is very clean. So I want to give you a few examples of what a good landing page should look like so you can model off of it on your landing page. So when somebody asks you, hey, can you say more information about your business or your page, you send them this instead of a website because this does conversions instead of a website that is just for more information. Let's get right to it. So I want to show you the first landing page, which is one of our clients. He just joined about a month ago. His name is Steve Parks, and as you can see how clean this landing page is. He has very good pictures. So this is one of the reasons why I think this landing page stood out from all the ones that we work with. His colors are very bright, which we always push that. Very clean. As you can see, he has very good professional pictures. So then the products looks the part. It looks more professional just because it wasn't just no random pictures that he got from 2000 and 20. No, he took these pictures. They were all with intent. They were a purpose, and that's why the landing page came out so nice and clean. One of the reasons why we have watched this video before the call, this was the part that I was telling you why it's so important to have these
Hey,
landing pages because it does most of the selling for you. Like most of the objections that I've dealt with, like, oh, I need to talk to my spouse, I need to think about it, or it's not the right time. Can I, all those objections that you get, we deal with them in the landing page. So when somebody comes in our business and is saying, "Hey, I need time to think about it," we already talked about that in the VSL. So these are very important. This is one in a part of our sequence of the funnel. Our prospects cannot jump on a phone with us unless they watch the landing page. They absolutely need to watch the landing page. If not, we don't get on the phone because it does most of the persuading for us. So when somebody books a call with us, they want to know more information. They want to know as much as possible who they're doing business with. And this is a good way for them to give them that information in video format because it builds trust. So what you do over the years is every time you hear like a new objection or a new reason why nobody is joining your program, we always add it to the VSL. That's why my first VSL, it was only like 4 minutes long. Now it's like about 18 minutes because we keep adding things that will help our clients understand exactly what we do. So the first video is pretty much explaining everything you need to know before we jump on the call, like the main essential things. Then we have two videos in the bottom of just more extra information about who we are, what we do, where we're trying to go, like new funding strategies, business credit secrets. So it's just more information. The first video is mainly talking about the call, what the program is going to be about, what can they expect during our call, what problem are we solving, how we're going to help them solve it, the time frame, and all of that good jazz. And then the two videos in the bottom is more purely informational based about the product itself that you're selling. And all this doing is just giving you, it's just persuading the prospect more and more to trust you. To you look like an authority of the space. Like look at Steve. Steve is in front of Lamborghini. He's here in a jet. He's here in a very good. Well, I don't know what this place is at, but it's just very pretty, very well put together. So it screams authority. It screams I've been doing this for a long time. So that's why you should work with me because I'm a professional at what I do. And he is. He's a very solid guy, very nice, and you can tell how he carry himself by the way his business is portrayed. And that's why I like to work with clients that really look at their business as an extension of themselves because they understand the more I professionalize my life, the business will follow to it. Um, After we show the three videos pretty much before the call and then more information, what we like doing is start going straight away to testimonials of clients and their results. What this does is again, it's just showing you more proof that you do say that what you do say you do it, and people love seeing that. What happens? The natural progression of a client, they're probably gonna click here. They're probably gonna scroll all the way down. Then maybe scroll all the way back up. Maybe start clicking a video too. But that's usually what they do. So they're gonna probably scroll all the way back down. Then go back up, click this video. They're probably gonna
hey,
watch
thank
the
you.
video. Then they're gonna watch maybe one of these two, and then they're gonna go see your testimonials. That's why this part is so important. If you don't have good testimonials, It's very hard to tell somebody, oh, I've done a lot of business, or I've done a lot of good business, and they're like, okay, where are all the clients that you've been working with, and you don't have a single client that you can name of. That's why this part is very important. If you have no good testimonials, here's what I did in the beginning. I funded my friends and family for a testimonial for free. So I was like, hey cousin, hey friend, hey brother, hey friend of a friend, if I get you funded 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 grand, whatever the number that they needed, can you give me a free testimonial? And it has to be fire. All right. And that's what I did with my first 5 testimonials. And until I started getting people funded, and then I was able to get testimonial. But you got to do something, build some sort of trust. And if you can give them a story, even better. Because during our sales process, we pull up the landing page. Doing, like, let's say I'm talking to a prospect and his name is Bob, right? I go, hey Bob, you remind me of I don't know this guy's game, Jason. You remind me of this guy. This guy had a similar problem as you, and he went through X in his life, and we were able to solve Y because blah 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 blah. You give me, so doing the sales call, I'm actually showing people testimonials, reviews, and all that stuff because it does more the persuading than you saying. It's a lot better than somebody else talking about your business than you talking about your business. So that's why in my landing page I have multiple testimonials, people talking good about my product and my business because it's a lot easier. If you just always you talk about you and your product, nobody's gonna believe you. But if you have other people talking about good in your product, it does the selling for you. So this one of our actually just newer clients. This is just his landing page. It's very beautiful. I love the black, white, and yellow and gold. It's very good. Let me show you now mine's where I actually made over $2.3 million on. Wait, it was 2023. So this year, the year's about to end. Where this video is recorded in December 18, and in December 18 and year to date, we're around $2.4 million. And let me show you our landing page. So our landing page is, of course, we have a template that we give to all our clients. That's why you're gonna see the similar pattern. But the first video is the VSL. As soon as you get to the landing page, important next step, you need to watch this video. Like, don't move on until you watch this video. It's very important, and that's why we like important next steps, right? Why do we do that again? Because we need them to watch this video before they talk into us. If you're doing your own sales or you have a sales team, before anybody talks to any of your team members or yourself, if you're doing the sales, they need to watch this video. They need to watch it, and if they don't watch it, you cancel the call. Here's how we confirm if they watched the video or not. When somebody books a call with us, 5 minutes to 10 minutes of them booking when the application comes in through Slack. Hey, how's it going? Let's say I'm calling them. My name is Javi. I saw you booking for us at 3 o'clock. Just looking through your application, it looks good. So you review the application, you ask them a few questions, and then you tell them, hey, I send you a link after you book a call. Do you get to see that link? And then sometimes they go, oh yeah, I'm watching the videos right now, or I just clicked on it. If they say they have not watched the videos or they don't have the link, you have to send it to them and make sure that they watch the videos. You have to make sure they always watch the videos, right? And we do that after 5 minutes of them booking the call. Another time that we do this is 1 hour right before the call. It's called a confirmation call. So let's say the appointment's at 3 o'clock Eastern. We call them at 2 o'clock Eastern. Hey, Bob, how's it going? This is Javi. I saw your appointment is right in about an hour. Just to make sure that you're showing up, everything okay. Just to also, I want to tell you that's in a Zoom, so you're in a quiet place. So we go through all those things. I'm gonna have a video about that, how to confirm a call and increase your no show up rate. But we ask them, have you watched the videos of the landing page? If the prospect says no, I have not watched the videos, we tell them, okay, look, I'm gonna send you a link right now. I'm gonna need you to watch the video. It's a 18-minute video. If you want to speed it up, by all means, but I need you to watch these videos because then the call, instead of being just about you, is gonna turn into a 2-hour call talking about the product and whatever. And we will rather just talk about how we can help you so you can understand exactly what we do and what we're about. Is that fair enough? And they're always gonna say, yeah, sounds fair. Can you please send them the link? Right? And if you get a sense that on the call they haven't watched the video, try to get off the call and try and please watch the videos because it is true because a lot of these videos is a lot of information. Like this video in particular, it's a lot of information. So it does speed up the process of the call. And if they do watch these videos, the process is dramatically sped up. So we are telling the truth. So we tell them, hey, if you watch this video, the process can be a lot better. So please watch this and let's jump on another call and you reschedule whatever. But we always make sure that our prospect has watched the videos before we get into the call. If not, the calls are not happening, we cancel and we reschedule. So just like Steve landing page, we have here at VO Sales. We also have a couple of links, like one for the ebook, one for the YouTube channel, just a couple of video of links that they could kind of just get more information about me if they wanted to, if they're looking for it. Then we have actually 4 videos for information. So I've noticed over the years that people want to know more things, and I already taken over 750 sales calls. So I know the questions people keep asking. So instead of me always answering on the sales call, what I do is just I make a video about it. That's why we have 4 videos right here about the topics that people mostly ask. What is our biggest month? What are the 2 biggest weaknesses of our company? Which is, I can tell you right now, is pretty much media and sales. Like if you have sales and media training, our program is literally, you're gonna take off like a rocket because it's the easiest thing. Another thing that we go into, so the section will be watch this, the main VSL, then it's more information about who we are, what we do, and any objections they may have or any questions they may have. And then we go straight back into testimonial mode of just bombarding them with testimonials and results, because it's not only testimonials, them talking good about the program and what they done, but also their actual results. We have a share your win section in our program, and people every day share the wins that they got in, which is pretty much their sales, the ads, whatever victory they got in that day. They share it. So not only they're sharing their experience through video, but they're also sharing their actual results. And you can see here John, one of our favorite clients, because this guy just in a month he went to 80K a month, which is, lightning speed. One of the fastest persons to reach 80K months. We have Rob getting crazy results. Also Collins is getting 2 or 3 sales a week with 6K a pop. So you could do the math there. Susan, another great client, she's here for a while with. Andre, this is one of our newest clients too. He's crushing it. He's also getting 2 or 3 sales a week right now at 6K. So he's crushing it. We got Sal, Seabass and Chris are doing about 20 or 30K cash a week. So they're crushing it right now. Another client, Jermaine. Justin Wenzel, this is a fitness guy that we're his marketing department, and this guy's absolutely crushing it, doing about 200, 300K months with us. MMA Masters, another fitness company. Alton, he does jewelry, so we help him grow his jewelry business, and he's coaching for jewelry. Another great client. And then here we got more results and more testimonials. And that's pretty much the structure of the landing page. It's not too complicated. The formula is easy. It's just you need to have the data for it. You need to have the work. If you haven't worked with hundreds of people, then it's hard for you to do this. So since we worked with so many people, it's easy for us to put so many testimonials, so many results, so many testimonials. Like every week I get 1 or 2 testimonials. And that comes with time. We've been doing already this for almost 2 years. Well, we've been funding people for 2 years, and we've been helping credit and funding companies scale for about 8 months or so. So we have so much results. We have so much data. That's why we keep pushing out. But yeah, guys, that's about it. This is the video I want to show you about what is a proper landing page should look like. This is a landing page that brings conversions into your company. Remember, it does majority of the sales heavy lifting for you. So you need a good landing page, and I promise you your closing rate will go up because it does most of the persuading. All right, everyone, I hope you learned a lot by this video and you can emulate a good landing page. I'll see you guys on the next one.